Hello everyone, so today I'm gonna show you how to do this kind of destruction animation in 3D Max. So let's start. So first you have to have an object first. So you just go to create and then choose an extended primitive and just choose any of object from here. So I just drew this one. Yeah. And then I just go to modify and rename it original form. Yeah, and then right click and convert it to edit poly, and then right click again and make a copy, and I rename it like copy and okay. Then I just wait a bit and then I change the color for the copy, maybe just orange. Yeah, and then I click the element and then select all of the copy form, and then right click clone and do another copy, name shell destroy. Yeah, and then I click OK. Yeah, then I just change the color of the cell destroy to blue, purple. Yeah, and then I type in shell, so to make the thickness of the shell, so I just make like around 0.4. Yep, and I right click collab all. Yes, then I change it into edit poly. Yeah, so right now when I move, it's mean like you have 3 different form now, 2 clone from the original one. So yeah, so I just don't need that one, maybe I just redo this one first. Yeah, so I just want to delete the copy one, so I just hold tab and then change between the form until I get the copy form. Yep, I don't need this one, so I just delete it. So I only have 2 form left, and then I go to create standard and then Tyflow. Go to modify, open editor. I just minimize the table. Yep, and then I drag the bird objects. Maybe I just turn up this one because I don't want my view to be crushed. Yeah, so I just click here and tap and then type Voronoi fracture. Yeah, and I just go back to the bird object and pick the cell destruct one. Yeah, and go back to Voronoi fracture, and I change this to 1000, and then I just hold tab. Yeah, and type in physics shape. Yeah, and I just and just click here under that one and hold tab again, type physics switch. Yep, and just change it to kinematics, and then just hold tab again and type in time test. I change this number to 50 by 50. Yep, and I just change this color to white, and just make sure the display is in geometry mode, and I click and hold tab again, and then I type in physics shape, and I just connect these two, and I click to the physics shape. Yep, and then just change the display color to white. Yeah, and I also change the cell destruct one into white. Yep, I feel like it's alright now. So I just turn on this one to make it run the simulation, which it takes a bit time to loading. Yep. And I just press the play animation key. Now it's kind of like the destruction already working, but yeah, but I don't want to see the waveform now, so I just hide, right click, and then hide selection. Yep. Yeah, so now this one is the original form, so it's kind of like the cell that surround the original form is broken into different parts. And I just close this one, and I don't want to see the original form as well, so maybe I just pause this one and click to the original form. Yeah, and right click, also hide selection. Yeah, and now it's kind of like the original form broken into different parts, like it's a process of destruction the original form by using Tyflow. So that's it.